Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Venus Bernice Ajituran. I'm 41 years old, single, no married, no kid. I have a work experience in abroad. In Saudi, I take care elderly. My duties is Solaran, and after 2 years, I finish my contract. I go back in the Philippines. And after that, I go back again in Saudi. I take care the disabled elderly. Also, my main duties is all around. Then after 2 years again, ma'am, I go back in the Philippines. Then, after that, I come back again Abu Dhabi. Then, in Abu Dhabi, ma'am, they have four person in the family. First, they have firstborn before I come. Then, they have already one helper. They have 4 months, 4 years old baby girl. Then, after a year, they give birth a baby girl again. Then, I finish contract 2 years. I go back in the Philippines again, ma'am. And then, I come back again in Singapore. I work with Indian people. They have 4 person in the family, 2 adult and 2 adult kids, 15 and 18 years old, boy and girl. After 4 years, finish contract in Singapore, I go back again in the Philippines and I fly here in Hong Kong. I apply in 2024. My end contract is January 29, 2026. In the family, they have 6 person, 2 elderly, 2 adult, and 2 baby. The elderly baby is 2 years and 7 months, and the youngest is 1 year and 5 months. And we also 2 helper in the house with Sharja. And I will sing a song for a baby. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. The baby on the bench go round and round, round and round, round and round. That's all. To my future employer, I have a long patient, understanding, and caring. Then must be communication with the employer. I hope you select me, ma'am. And also, I'm willing to learn more a lot. Thanks to my future employer. Thank you, ma'am. That's all.